Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly delicious, tender and moist chocolate sponge cake using boiling water. This recipe is simply a godsend for all chocolate baking lovers. It's so soft that it literally melts in your mouth, and it's made with simple ingredients that everyone has in their kitchen. A great base for a cake or just a standalone dessert for tea. Ready to create a little culinary wonder? Then let's get started. To make the sponge cake we will need sponge, eggs 3 pieces, sugar 8 ounces, milk room temperature 6.349 ounces, vegetable oil 3.174 ounces, flour 8 ounces, cocoa 2.11 ounces, baking soda 0.21 ounces, vinegar 1.5 teaspoons, boiling water 5.291 ounces. We take 3 eggs at room temperature of medium size and add 8 ounces of sugar. You can knead the dough and without a mixer, but I will use a mixer. Add a pinch of salt and stir, do not whip. You can mix with a simple whisk. I add 6.349 ounces of milk and 3.174 ounces of vegetable oil. When I stir, the sugar dissolves. Let's put aside and prepare dry products, 8 ounces of flour, 2.11 ounces of alkalized cocoa. Why exactly I use alkalized? Because such in cocoa has a darker color, rich taste and aroma. I also add baking soda. I turn on the oven to a temperature of 302 degrees Fahrenheit and sift all the remaining flour. I mix it with a mixer until it is homogeneous, not beating it, just mixing it all together. I add 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. I have wine vinegar. Now I add of boiling water and mix with a mixer. The dough is liquid, it should be, so the biscuit is moist. I pour it into the prepared form and put it in the preheated oven at 150 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, top-bottom mode without convection. Remove the cookie from the mold and cut with a knife into 3 pieces. Look at the structure of the sponge cake, lots of bubbles, elastic. This sponge cake can be eaten simply instead of a cake, so it is moist, and can be used to prepare various cakes. You can also find other varieties of sponge cake on my channel in the biscuit section. Well, that's it, our incredibly delicious and moist chocolate sponge cake on boiling water is ready. Look how soft and tasty it is, a real dream for all chocolate baking lovers. This sponge cake is the perfect base for cakes or a great dessert for tea. If you like this recipe, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share your impressions in the comments. And don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss any new delicious recipes. Cook with love and enjoy. See you next video.